I am HVAC repair guy. I am a former Navy nuclear electrical operator with over 17 years of field experience servicing heating and cooling systems. Today we are looking at two entry-level heat pumps built on the exact same production line to see which one gives you the best value for your hard-earned dollar. We are comparing the AireForce FSH4BE and the Maytag PSH4BE outdoor heat pumps to give you the real truth before you buy. Both the AireForce FSH4BE and the Maytag PSH4BE feature heavy-gauge louvered steel panels wrapping entirely around the outdoor coil. This louvered steel design provides excellent protection against hailstones, stray yard rocks, and flying debris. Both systems rely on standard single-stage compressors and single-speed condenser fan motors. This means when your indoor thermostat calls for heating on a cold winter morning, the system simply kicks on at full power. You will hear the compressor start up all at once, and it will run at maximum speed until the house reaches the set temperature before shutting down completely. The real story here is the relationship between these two labels. Both of these systems are built by Nortek Global HVAC, which was purchased by Rheem Manufacturing on the exact same production lines down in Mexico. The Maytag nameplate represents a premium brand tier in the corporate portfolio, while the AireForce label is positioned as a straightforward, no-frills value option for contractors and homeowners looking for a standard replacement. Because they share the same internal parts, the pricing difference comes down to the nameplate and the backing. The average equipment price for the AireForce model sits right around $2,100, bringing the total average installed price to $5,400 after the installation crew hooks up the refrigerant lines. The Maytag version commands a bit more of a premium, with an average equipment price of $2,700 and a total average installed price of $6,200 for the exact same physical installation footprint. The final major distinction rests in the manufacturer warranty coverage, which reflects long-term ownership costs. The AireForce system comes out swinging with a 10-year parts warranty, a 10-year compressor warranty, and an impressive 10-year unit replacement warranty. If that compressor fails anytime within the first decade, the manufacturer replaces the entire outdoor heat pump unit. Maytag takes a slightly different approach, offering a longer 12-year parts and compressor warranty, but they limit their dependability unit replacement promise to just the first year of ownership. If I had to put my name on one of these installs, it would be the AireForce FSH4BE. Since both systems use the exact same single-stage compressor technology, louvered steel panels, and factory engineering from the same assembly line, paying extra for the premium nameplate does not make sense here. The AireForce delivers identical performance, saves you hundreds of dollars up front, and protects your investment with a far better 10-year unit replacement warranty. Shop like a pro.